Imagine this. You're starting your motorcycle early in the morning. One bike fires up instantly, the other needs the choke, a few tries, and a little warm-up time.
Why such a big difference? It all depends on whether your engine is running a carburetor or a fuel injection.
In every riding, the difference is noticeable. Carbureted engines can be a little picky. They may hesitate or need some warming up. Fuel-injected engines, they adjust automatically, giving you a smooth start every time. When you twist the throttle, FI engines respond faster and more consistently. They deliver smoother power whether you're overtaking or climbing a hill. Carburetors can still perform well, but they're more sensitive to dirt, heat, weather changes, and fuel quality.
Fuel injector is engineered in fuel efficiency.
Because it measures every drop of fuel precisely, you get better mileage and cleaner emissions. Fuel injection is more advanced. It needs less frequent maintenance, but repairs usually require sensors, tools, and sometimes a mechanic. Carburetors often run richer than needed, which means more fuel burned and more pollutants released. One big advantage of carburetors is their simplicity. You can clean them at home, adjust them manually, and replacement parts are cheap.
Hawakan mo ta. Ano yung issue, no? Ano to?
Anong tawag dyan? Bore.
Yan.
So, kuya, ano yung motor mo? Carb or FI?
Carb. Raider 150 carb.
Okay. So, para sa'yo, ano yung mas matipid in terms sa gasolina? Carb or FI?
Mas matipid ang FI talaga. Kahit saan itanong, mas matipid ang FI kaysa carb.
Pagdating naman sa maintenance, ano yung mas madaling i-maintain?
Actually, mas madali i-maintain ng carb kasi mas mura yung pyesa. Sa FI kasi sensitive yan at saka mahal yung pyesa ng FI. So, mas madali i-maintain yung carb.
Pero kung ikaw talaga yung papipiliin, FI ka or carb?
In terms of tipid, FI. Pero kung sa maintenance, carb talaga. Mas madali maintain ng carb.
Sige, thank you so much. Hello kuya, may motor po kayo?
Apo.
So ano po yung motor nyo, carbs or FI po?
May carb po at saka FI.
Para sa inyo, ano po yung mas madaling i-maintain sa between carbs or FI?
Yang carb po.
Pagdating naman po sa sa gasolina, ano po yung mas matipid?
Yung FI?
Mas matipid yung FI. So kung meron po kayo, kung bibili po kayo ng motor ulit, ano po yung gusto nyo? Carbs or FI?
Yung FI po.
FI pa rin po. Sige, thank you po. Hello kuya, ano po yung motor nyo kuya? Ano pong engine type? FI po ba or carbs?
FI po.
So FI, based po sa experience niyo, ano po yung mas madaling i-maintain na motor?
Carb po. Carb.
Carb?
Carb.
Ano po yung mas hindi masyadong pagdating po sa gasolina?
Ang FI kasi mas matipid siya kaysa carb.
Sa carb?
Kasi mas malakas magkonsumo ng gas ang carb.
Okay, kung kayo po yung papiliin, mas gusto niyo pa rin po ba yung FI or yung carbs na type ng engine?
Kung ako, FI.
FI pa rin? Sige, go.
Whichever one your motorcycle has, understanding it helps you appreciate the ride even more.
Thanks for watching. Ride safe.
Basta bayaw, kuyaw!